Hey y'all, Diamond Painting Cajun here. How are y'all doing today? Long time no see, y'all. How are y'all doing? How are y'all families? What are y'all working on? Oh, y'all know I want to know all these things. Leave all the answers to the comments in the comments below. So, my name is Debbie. I'm Diamond Painting Cajun. Everybody calls me Cajun. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. So, y'all, how's it been going for you guys? How was your week? Look, I have been super busy with all the grandkids and their like kindergarten graduations and baseballs and awards days and programs and all that. And I'm still not finished. But I wanted to come on here and do an unboxing from a company that I purchased from on Etsy. And I'm going to tell y'all, I don't want to show y'all, but it's Butterfly Effect Wares. And I'm pretty sure y'all can just about guess what this is. But, yeah, I ordered some product from them. And I wanted to do a video and show y'all, oh Lord, show y'all what I got. Mosquitoes, like, yo, it's full of mosquitoes over here. Anyway, I wanted to come and show y'all what I got. So, and I do have some PR packages that I'm gonna video next. So like 2, but 2 or 3. I'm behind y'all. I'm sorry. I miss you guys though. Since I was on Miss Wanda's live, which I thank her for. Thank you, Miss Wanda, for that. Had a nice time, and I really had to go. And I'm sorry about that, but y'all had to go. Yeah, so I missed y'all. I mean, oh my goodness, I really missed y'all. So I wanted to come on, do this unboxing, and not just that, I really want to use what I have in this box. So so like I said, leave me in the comment section below what y'all working on, because I really want to know, and I miss y'all, man. Like, where all y'all been? What y'all been doing? I know y'all been diamond painting, but other than that, what's going on? Oh, y'all, so yeah, I've been super busy, but you know, it's life. It'll slow down a little bit, maybe. I don't know. The kids are getting out of school and all that good stuff, so it's gonna be probably busy. I have some vacations planned and all that, so yeah, that's what's going on with us, with me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this unboxing from Butterfly Effect Wares. Here it is again. And they have an Etsy shop and they have a Facebook page and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna link the shop down below, and y'all can go on Facebook and look it up, and it'll take y'all to Butterfly Effect Wares if y'all type it in. So I need something to open it with. Hold on. I should have known this. I should have known better. Y'all know how I am. I'm not. Lord, I'm a hot mess. Yeah, so I ordered this like when they came out, I think. And it did not take long to get here. It did not take that long to, you know, I don't know if they made them or they were already made or whatever, but I think they were already made, but I'm not sure. But yeah. So, first things first. Let me see if this is it. Okay, so I ordered several things actually, and I ordered their dot putty. Okay, I've never tried it. I think this is my first time trying it. I tried so many. I don't even know what I tried anymore. So I'm gonna show you guys that first. Butterfly sticker, and it's called Spring Picnic ... Putty. And y'all know I like my putty, so I try everybody's putty, and I'll let y'all know what works and what don't. For me, not everybody's the same, so you know. For me, I love putty. Not everybody likes putty. It's not everybody's favorite, but for me, it is. I'm gonna tell y'all how this smells in a second. Oh, I could smell it, and I don't even have it open. Oh my God, it smells like spring for real. Oh my goodness, this is the best smell I've ever smelled. I'm not lying. It looks like this, and it's called Spring Picnic, and it smells just like it looks, like happy, like springy, but not too floral. But oh my God, y'all, like, I don't know. Okay, so the people at Butterfly Effect Wares, whichever person makes this, okay, this has to be the best scent I've ever smelled in my life. It smells fresh and clean and spring and outside, but not dirt, not like, I'm telling y'all, this is like a breath of fresh air. I am not kidding. Y'all, I could literally, if this was a food, I would eat it. Y'all, look. It's so pretty. Not to mention it smells delicious. I love it. Oh my God, it's so, I can't even describe the smell. It's just fresh and spring. They got this down pat when they said Spring Picnic. Exactly. It smells delicious. It smells good. It smells good. Doesn't smell like food. It smells like a breath of fresh air in springtime. Oh my God. I can't explain it. It smells so good. I can't wait to use this putty. Thank you guys for making this wonderful scent, because I love the smell. I'm going to try it out and see how it works. It does come with directions and how to use it and everything. So I'm going to read the directions as well. And yeah. And they sent me a candy. A dum-dum. I can't eat those, but I'll give them to my grandkids. And I ordered 2 pens. One's bigger than the other. As y'all can tell. My nose itches. I don't know why. This springtime weather. Look, it comes in these cute little packages. Oops, upside down. And I love pink, so you know that's right up my alley. So this first diamond, this is a diamond painting pen I ordered from them. And look at this springtime color. Look these colors, y'all, and look the glitter in there. Holy crap. And y'all know I like pink, but this is, the putty goes with the pen, because I mean, you know, the colors are the same, and it's so pretty. So pretty. I love it. Look at that. Oh my gosh, y'all, I love it. Look at the glitter. Can y'all see that glitter? Butterfly Effect Wares, y'all, are awesome. I love it. I love it. Look at that. Oh my God. Now, y'all, I love it. It came with a 4-placer and a single placer. Butterfly Effect Wares, very great job on this pen. I love it. It's beautiful. I love the colors. I love the glitter. It's amazing. Love it. Love it. Let's open the second one. Y'all know I went, it's the same thing. It's just smaller. Because I wanted to try both sizes out. I like to switch it up. So that's why I got a mini one. I got a mini one, y'all. Just like it. I got a mini one just like it. This one has a little bit more yellow in it. But it still has all the same colors and all the same glitter. And all the same. It's the same. It's, you know, every pin they turn, no matter what, they are going to look different. Which I like. I don't want them all looking the same anyway. The same colors, just a little tad different look. This one has a lot of pink in it. And y'all know this is just right for my little bitty hands. See? Like, you know, I love it. I love it. This is the first time that... Oh, my nose itches. I'm sorry. My nose itches. Okay. This is the first time I have a mini pen. I never had a mini pen before. So I'm trying this one out first because, you know. So this one came with the 4-placer and a single placer as well. I chose the 4-placer. You can choose which one you want. I chose the 4-placer. So, yeah. So that's that. And these are the comparison side by side in size, as far as sizes go. That's the comparison side by side. If you want to put them even, that would be like about right here. So y'all can tell the mini one is shorter than the other one. I like them both. I'm going to use both. They're so cute. Love them. Love them, love them, love them. So everything that I just showed you guys is going to be linked in the description portion of this video. Thank y'all for watching, and I really appreciate y'all subscribing. If y'all want to subscribe, please hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate it. If you don't want to, that's fine too. Just hit the like button if you're not subscribed. If you want to do that as well. Bye, y'all. Y'all have a great weekend. Bye.